Hi everyone, how is your quarantine period going on? I hope all of you are making the most of it. We have come back here again with another healthy lifestyle tip, which is to get abundance of sunshine, which we often complain of not getting due to our hectic work timings. Sunshine, which is freely available to us by the nature, is extremely important to us because it helps synthesizing vitamin D in our body. Vitamin D, which is soon to be called a hormone, is extremely important to us. It was earlier thought to just protect our bones, but now recent researches have shown that it has a huge part to play in our immunity. It increases our inbuilt tolerance to the foreign materials. Also, it increases our immunity, especially to protect us from respiratory infections like common cold and flu. Vitamin D deficiencies were rare when men used to roll up their sleeves and work in the sunny field. But since the farms shifted to offices, it all changed. People generally remain indoors, and if they step out, they generally cover themselves with the clothes or they generally apply a sunscreen which hinders the sunshine to reach into their skin. Pigmentation plays an important role. Pigmentation can decrease the vitamin D production in skin by 90%. So all the non-white population is at the risk. We can get vitamin D from three potential sources. Number one is nutritional source, number two UV dependent endogenous production, and number three is from supplements. In humans, most of the vitamin D is synthesized under the skin on the exposure to sun, whereas a very small part is obtained through dietary sources. The major dietary sources which have vitamin D are fatty fish, especially oily fishes like salmon, mackerel, sardines, etc. Few mushrooms, even if they are sun-dried, and the yolk of an egg. For Indians, 20 to 30 minutes of exposure to sunlight between 11 am to 2 pm is the best time throughout the year for vitamin D production. For people with darker skin tones, it can be even more. So that's all for today. Stay connected with us for more such informative, healthy tips. Stay at home, soak in the sun, stay safe. Thank you.